Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. My name is Bilal Ameen and you are watching my YouTube channel Forex Signals Analysis. Today we are going to learn trading strategy which provide 90 to 95% accuracy rate in Forex market. Before starting a video, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that the upcoming video can reach you easily. So let's start the video. As we can see here, the trading strategy which provides 90 to 95% accuracy rates. We have divided in this trading strategy into four parts. First, structure of market. Second one is our important areas of market, entry level and exit from a trade. This strategy is entirely based on price action, so please don't skip the video. So these are the things we need to know before learning our strategy. The first, structure of a market, in which we will check our trends like bullish, bearish or sideways. And second step, we will important areas of market which we will find through our support and resistance and moving average. And third one is our entry level. When we take entry in markets, we will find through breakouts in support and resistance and moving average. And third one is our exit from a trade through stop loss and take profit. We will learn all these things on a live chart, so let's start without any delay. As we can see here, this is our USD CHF, this is US oil at JPY. So we will learn this on at JPY chart in H4 time frame. First we will check the structure of market. As we can see at this area, this is our bullish structure in market. So we will draw first of all our trend. So this is over a healthy bullish trend in at JPY, because market give perfect closing. As we can see here, this is the closing above our lower trend line, and the market give closing below the upper trend line, and this level market give closing above the lower trend line, and at this point market also give the perfect closing, and at this point market breaks our trend line and give closing below our trend line. So at this level market gives its first confirmation about sell opportunity, as we can see here, because market gave closing below our lower trend line. And now the second step of important areas of market, we will find through support and resistance first. So first we will take horizontal line and draw our resistance level at this level. So the second confirmation we will get through our resistance level, because market also break our resistance level and give closing below the resistance level. And we will find our third through confirmation through moving average, through our moving average. So we will use moving average of 50. So as we can see, the moving average also gives the market gives breakout below the moving average. This is our third confirmation. So when market give closing below the our moving average and resistance level, as we can see, market work as at this level as a resistance, also at this level market work as a resistance, and this level also market work as a resistance, and this level market works as a support, and this level market again work as a resistance. So we will don't take a trade on this candle, because this is the market trending move. So we will take trade in retracement move. When over retracement candle give closing below over resistance level and over trend line, or over moving average, then we will take a trade in market. As we can see here, the our retracement candle give closing below the over resistance and trend or over moving average. So we will take trade at this level. Now the second step in market, how we will take stop loss, the use of stop loss. So we will use our stop loss below our previous retracement. As we can say, this is our previous retracement, and we will place our stop loss at this level. This is our entry level, and this is our exit level, first exit level, and now we will find our second exit level, which is our take profit. We will set our take profit through our previous low in market. As we can see here, the perfect previous low, this is also a previous low, but we will find the some strong low in market, and we will set our take profit through at the previous low in market. As we can see here, this is our a healthy previous low in market, as we can see, and we will set our take profit above our previous low, some little bit above, as we can see here. And this is the over trading running trade area in market. So after this, and we will get profit through on this trade, what we'll do next. So first we will remove these areas. So the first thing is, we will find our important areas in market through our support and resistance and moving average. So as we can see here, this is our important area in market, where market give closing above the over support. So we will use support as a horizontal line. So as we can see here, the market give closing as we can now that the market moving with lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This means market creates bullish trend, bearish trend. So this is the area where market is give this is the market support area, where the market where market gives closing above our support area. So the next step, we will find our important areas in market through our moving average. As we can see, from this area to this area, now these areas are in this area, the moving average is in our bullish trend. So we will find some bullish trades in market. So when market give closing above our support, so we will take trade in bullish trend. When market give closing at this area in retracement candle, we will always take trade retracement candles, not in trending move. So we will take trade in a retracement candle at this area and set over take profit at this level, the previous low of the market. As we can see here, this is the market previous low in market. So market easily hit and give closing below our moving average, and set over stop loss below over this candle previous. This is our retracement level, and set over SL at this level. So as we can see here, over moving the closing of market is below our moving average, and moving average also follow bearish trend, create its bearish trend, and we will don't trade at this area. So after when market give closing above over moving average, then we will find some important areas in market. As we can see here, this is our important area because market this is a market support at this level, and also at this level, and also at this level, and this is the market we will take a trade also at this level. This is the our area of trade execution at this level, and we will set our take profit at previous retracement area of the market at this place, and set our stop loss at over previous at this level. I hope you guys you are understanding. So as we can now we will get profit also on this trade. Now our trend is also completed, so we will draw our trend lines. First we will remove these lines, so we will remove all lines. So now we will draw trend line. So as we can see here, the market gave closing below over the trend line, and again the retracement move is also is below the over trend line. So now we will check through over support and resistance level by using our horizontal line. This is also our a support at this level, a little bit down, and so we will draw here a supply zone. So this is our supply zone, because and now we will check through our moving average. So as we can see here, the market gives closing at this candle below the our moving average. So as we can see here, the market give closing exact over the trend line and also in over supply zone. So we can't take trade in this situation, and our moving average also not break at this level. And when market breaks this moving average at this level, then we will take our trade, but not at this candle. So when market take retracement, we will take trade in retracement movement like this. As we can see here, the first retracement market take at this candle, then we will take over trade at this level and set over stop loss at this level. According to our previous retracement in market, at this is market trending move, and market goes up. Now we will set over take profit in market. This is one is over take profit. I hope guys you are understand. This is our trading strategy, which entirely based on our price action. If you are new to trading, then I have given the link in the description, so you can create a demo account using it, and when you become an expert in trading, then trade with your real account. So thank you, we will meet you again in next video. Goodbye.